So today we are learning Trikonasana, where Tri means 3, Kona means angle. It's a triangle pose. If you can see this person, how many triangles are easily visible? If you can see this one, the first one, which is known as the base triangle, should be equilateral. That's the reason why this distance should be the length of your leg. All 3 sides should be equal. The second one, and if I draw this line, you can see a bigger one, which is known as the third one. This makes it 4 and 5th, and this one's the 6th. 6 triangles are easily visible in Trikonasana. That's the reason why this is known as Trikonasana. How to do this asana, you will see me with Taylor on the mat. Namaste. Today we're going to learn Trikonasana, which is also known as triangle pose. For that, you're going to open the legs at least 3.5 to 4 feet apart. It's the length of your leg, so we can make an equilateral triangle down there, which is good for the balance. Now, she's going to turn one of her leg out. So let's suppose she's going to turn the right leg out, half with the toes and half with the heels. So basically, our prime motto is the heels and the inner arch should come in line, so she should not feel any pressure on her knees. Now, basically, the toes pointing to the side. She's going to open the hands to the side, arms parallel to the ground initially. She's going to take the right hand or left hand on her waist. So the elbows can be pushed back and chest can be open. Now, she's going to extend forward from the bottom of her ribs, so the side of the body remains parallel. Now, she's going to push the elbows back, chest open, and now she's going to slightly drop the right hand down. But remember, the body should not be slouching, so she's going to use her obliques to lift the body slightly up. Now, from here, she's going to slightly extend the hand up and gaze towards the palm. Now, remember, this hand should be strong, so I will prefer her to press my palms. Now, this arms is strong. The another arms is extending downwards, and she's going to try to look up. The shoulders should be pulled backward, shows the pelvis should be. Now, if she wants to grab the big toe, she can grab the big toe, I assume. But if I see from the side, I want her head, hips, and leg in one line. This is Trikonasana for you. So how do we adjust in Trikonasana if a person doing these mistakes? Now see, if the back foot is turned out, not less than 90, so you can turn the foot in with your own foot. Be aware the thighs have been engaged, so kneecap is being pulled up. Now see, if that foot is not properly being 90 and turn the back foot 90, also try to find out the heels and the inner arch should be in one line. Can you turn this 90? Yeah. She's going to open up the hands and see, shoulders can be uneven also. So try to adjust the shoulders. Be aware the side of the body should be parallel. The leg is being bended, the leg needs to be straight and the kneecap is lifted up. But be careful, it should not be hyperextended. If the knees is hyperextended, then let the person bend the knees. Now as she's following forward, this is one of the most common mistakes in Trikonasana. People try to see the floor. They try to approach the floor. And if I see from the side, the head is going somewhere else, the hip is going somewhere else. So what we have to do, I usually go behind. I'm going to grab the shoulders and pull the shoulders back. So the head and the hips can come in one line. My shoulder will adjust the hands so the hands doesn't open. Now this is another common mistake. People try to open up the hands too much to open up the chest. I prefer with this shoulder, try to adjust the hands back in line. This pelvis should be rolled back and legs should be engaged.